Today is Sunday. It's 6 p.m. The guys weren't meant to be working Sunday, but they have. So we've just turned up to have a quick look, and they've actually been working away. So they've done some block. The house is now starting to come out of the ground. We're a good sort of 7 or 8 tiers now. So yeah, starts giving you a little bit more of an impact as to what's going on. My beautiful wife over there. So yeah, there'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 courses over there. Here's still full of water. This is the pool area. Obviously finished that column off on the end as well. Got a few spray marks on the wall for some reason. That's probably where imperfections are. Oh, and also there as well. This is where the actual 16-inch wall will go right up through ground floor, right up to the ceiling. Technically means we're on day 68 then, doesn't it? So apparently they put the sand on the floor to protect the floor. And that's the only low patch we have. These are the sort of wall supports. Not too sure why that one's not been done. It'll be the same thing. So yeah, looks like we're coming out of the ground, which is great. Exactly what we've been looking for. It's quite strange to think that this is our basement. So we'll be about 6'8" in here, 6'8" underneath, touching the actual slab itself. And the slab will be about 8 inches. And then the house itself will be 12-foot ceiling heights. So yeah, it's good that they've actually done what they've done. I didn't know they were going to be coming in today. But they are behind, so they are trying to get back on top. So it looks like they've actually done a bit in here as well. Yeah, so they've blocked in the front. And technically you'll come down that hallway, and the main entrance into the house upstairs will be here. It says 3/4, that's where the entrance into the house will be. So yeah, nice to see it. And there's the pool itself. Give you an overview of what the pool looks like. So technically this is the steps. This is where the steps will start to go into the pool, and they'll finish about there, and then that's basically the pool itself. So it's about, in total I think it's just under 40 foot in length. So I think they're going to be pouring that tomorrow as well. Pouring here, pouring in there, and pouring over there. And then it's going to be over here next. Again, this is all going to be concrete patio area right through here, all the way across, all the way over, joining that piece over the road. And then over the far side of there is like a little 1-bedroom unit that sits out on the far side on its own. And the garage is going to be the same width as the house, so it's going to be a nice sized garage hopefully. So anyway, that's it. So I'll check in with the guys tomorrow morning, see what the plan is for tomorrow.